Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Take a look at this photo right here. Law enforcement bail reform crime wave puts public safety at risk, needs legislative fix. Law enforcement bail reform crime wave puts public safety at risk. Officials say bail reform law allows dangerous offenders to be released. Some top law enforcement officials are calling the state's bail reform law a threat to public safety after it has been in effect for a year. Bail reform, a law that restricts pre-trial detention, is drawing complaints from law enforcement officials. Lawmakers took action earlier this year when it came to light that several potential dangerous offenders were being released, but some officials said the fix isn't working. Manchester Mayor Joyce Craig recently came forward to back up police who said bail reform is fueling crime, drug use, and homelessness in the city. Manchester Police Chief Carl Capano said bail reform has embedded repeat offenders. He said an officer recently broke his leg trying to detain a man who had been arrested and released for fighting with police a few days earlier. Officials said the problem is not limited to Manchester. Sullivan County Attorney Mark Hathaway said that under bail reform, repeat offenders are committing a half dozen or more separate crimes before judges allow them to be held in jail. He said bail reform is putting public safety at risk. Capano said property crime is down in Manchester, but violent crime is on the rise. He said it's too soon to determine if bail reform is playing a role. Officials with the ACLU, which wrote the law, said it is working as intended. Legislative leaders told News 9 they're open to revising the law again. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.